Hey Jess, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? So, all good and swell or whatever. So, we're here today because tomorrow I am lightening up my hair. Your girl is going blonde or something. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Honestly, I don't know. But I want to prep my hair because when you do lighten your hair, you're basically processing the ish out of it. Your porosity, your cuticles are going to be wide open. It's going to be dry as day. And I'm trying to prep my hair. I don't want it to be that dry. And I don't like dry hair. Like, it's just not, it's not in me to have dry hair, you know? So today we're going to do a DIY. It takes a lot. Me, I'm the type of person that instead of doing different masks, I literally would use everything that I would use in these different masks, put them together and make a do what it do, okay? So this is my hair right now. Give you a closer look. I did do a, it's a little nappy on that side. I did finger coil the front. This is like 3 days old with extreme wet line. So just to give it some really defined curls, and I mean it did the job. So today we're gonna be doing just that. I'm gonna get everything ready that we're gonna need for this mask. I'm gonna leave it in overnight, so I'm not gonna give you guys the results until, okay? Anyways, I'm not gonna give you guys the results until like tomorrow because I have to sleep with it, you know. You don't even need to do all that, but I'm a bit dramatic. Yeah, so we're just gonna do the mask and make that happen. So let me get everything and we'll be right back. Hey again, hey again. First of all, I'm back. Second of all, there's mad products here. You can leave out what you want. Either way, know that all of these products are beneficial in some way. And I will try to, you know, incorporate that in the video somewhere of what each item does and what it's good for. But you don't have to use all these items. Just know I'm extra and I do that. First, we have an egg, you know, good old-fashioned egg. Okay, like flaxseed, coconut oil, jojoba, shea butter, grapeseed, and ginseng. Like, come on. And then we have my do-grow, which is a mixture of castor. I put this MiniiMani oil in there and whatever extra oil that this thing already comes with. We have mayo. This is the only mayo I could find. Apple cider vinegar to balance back my hair pH. Silicone mix. This is like literally the holy grail. I tell y'all, this gets your weaves back to life. Y'all see, look, even right here it tells you. You see how it opens up the cuticle? It penetrates the cuticle and makes your hair soft. Treatment to restore the health, shine, and softness of dry, damaged, and weak hair. Considering I'm about to damage my hair, maybe I should, you know, treat it before then. And I'm gonna be doing this treatment before and after I color the hair, so I'm making enough for two servings, as I guess you could call it. Then I have my Curls Blueberry Bliss reparative hair mask and Tense reparative deep conditioning hair mask, guaranteeing to repair dry and enhance growth or whatever. So we have that. A banana. Oh my gosh, a banana. I love it. A banana. Y'all know if this is good for your body, why isn't it good for your hair? Y'all gotta understand, a lot of things that go inside your body, it's good for the outside of your body. If you could eat it, don't think your hair don't love it too. Okay? All right. But it doesn't go the opposite way around. Not all these. And then we have some yogurt. Okay? And I have my magic bullet where I'm gonna blend everything, make it nice and soft and thick and great. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. One last thing that you will need is a container, because where are you gonna put all this stuff? Okay, and that should most definitely be enough for everything. Let's get it started. Ha! In here. In here. Okay, anyways. First, we're gonna take our yogurt. Throw that in there. I'm gonna take just a spoon of this. What is this considered? A tablespoon? This is not a tablespoon. I'm bad with measurements, guys. Don't listen to me. I have to learn a way around this, but until I do, just measure on your own. Honesty is the best policy, right? So we're gonna take first the mayo. I don't even know how long this mayo been here. Get a nice spoonful of that. Mayo is really good in like kind of like a sort of a protein treatment. So this is like a mixture of a protein slash moisturizing treatment. I'm gonna take a spoonful of my reparative hair mask from Curls. Okay, so now that we have this nice spoonful of the mask, I'm gonna take another nice spoonful of the silicone mix. Maybe 2. I'm gonna do 2 spoons actually of each. So another spoon. So I'm gonna just take my oil, again, no measurements, into this mixture. And then I'm taking my Aunt Jackie's oil. Same thing. Last, most definitely not least, throw your banana. If I had an avocado, oh my gosh, I swear this mask would be the ish.com, because avocado is the overall universal fruit dot shit. Like, avocado is literally like the best invention. Like, God knew what he was doing when he made avocado, for sure. So now I will show you part. If you want to stay tuned for part 2 of me actually applying this, keep on. Oh no, don't keep on watching. Wait till next time, because ain't nothing coming after this, guys. Thank you, guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. And gems, I will see you next time.